Hi there, welcome back to Testing Docs Windows tutorial. So in this tutorial, you'll learn about focus sessions. So imagine you sat down to work but you will get distracted by endless interruptions or app notifications and other interruptions. So focus session is a built-in productivity feature that helps you to stay focused while working or doing any important tasks. So let's get started. So focus sessions mainly help you to dedicate uninterrupted time of your work. Can simply uh, focus on what it's important to you. So you can set a focus timer, turn on do not disturb mode. You can mute notifications, track your progress, and integrate with Microsoft To-Do tasks, and optionally listen to relaxing music through Spotify. So the goal of focus session is simple. It helps you to concentrate on what matters you, like the important tasks you do. So there are multiple ways to open the focus session, but the easiest method is to open the clock app. So in the search bar, type clock app and open this clock. You can click on it or click on here, open. Um, You can select the focus session here in the left navigation pane. Click on it. So this is the UI of the focus session. Okay. So this this is where you set the timer and start your focus session. Uh, Pause it whenever it is necessary. And you can install Spotify and connect your account to listen, optionally listen to music, the task management, and you can add tasks here and you can see your daily progress uh, for tracking. So it is important to choose like the timer, like how long you'll be working. For example, this is the 25 minutes timer, and you can click on it to increase it. And for example, to set a 90 minutes, a 95 minutes timer, uh, you can click on the up arrow marks and you'll have two breaks during this session. So, and if you want to skip breaks, you can check this checkbox. And to start, click on Start Focus Session. And Windows will activate the focus mode and begins counting down the timer. So the main advantages of focus session is to reduce the interruptions. So when the focus session begins, Windows will automatically enable Do Not Disturb. So this will prevent most of the Windows notifications from appearing while you're working. And once your session ends, your notification settings will turn on to normal. So you can also use a Microsoft To Do application um, to you can connect your task list and choose exactly what you will work during the focus session. So here you can add tasks here by clicking on add a task. So when you start a focus session, it will create a clear workflow for you. choose a task, start your timer, and stay focused until your focus session ends. So this will it is an effective way to stay organized. So so let's start a 45 minutes focus session by clicking on it. So you can also install Spotify and connect with your Spotify account. You can play a focus playlist during the sessions here. Okay. So you can prefer instrumental music, lo-fi beats or sounds or classical music to make it easier for and make you more productive. So the most important tips is you can try starting with 25 minutes timer. Work one task at a time and prevent multitasking uh, whenever possible. And take a schedule breaks. And breaks will help you to maintain energy and improve concentration and make a focus session daily habit. So you can use focus sessions for studying or working on important tasks. So it will help make you more productive during working hours. And that's it. Hope this is helpful. Subscribe for testing notes for more Windows tutorials. Thank you.